morning, or I will take my breakfast along with my lunch this noon. Skip your breakfast bring you to an unhealthy eating habits. If you have answered yes for one or all of the questions that I have stated above, then you should start to change your eating habits. I will convince you to eat breakfast start today. Today, I'm going to tell all of you on the three major reasons why we should eat breakfast. Okay, let's go one by one the benefits of breakfast. First of all, breakfast can make students, that is all of you, to perform well in schools. You should eat breakfast because breakfast provides you energy to start a new day. A nutritious breakfast that contains a complete diet, higher in nutrients, minerals, and vitamins, can ensure you to perform well in your study, especially mathematics. Students who eat breakfast will have a better concentration and positive reaction toward difficult tasks in class rather than students who don't take breakfast. Taking breakfast enables you to perform well in classroom. Also, you will have more strength and endurance to engage in physical activity in class. So all of you should take breakfast for your own benefits. This is a good news for those who are trying to lose their weight. Breakfast is one of the methods to have a good body shape, and the most important, it is safe. Studies have shown that breakfast eaters tend to weigh less than breakfast skippers. Why? One theory may suggest that eating a healthy breakfast can reduce hunger throughout the day and can help you to make a better choice at other meals. If you are skipping your breakfast, hunger will get to you more and you will eat more at other meals. Also, breakfast will increase the levels of leptin in your body. Leptin is one type of hormone that helps to surpass your appetites. So, all of you have to take breakfast in order to have a good body shape. Other than the two suggestions that I have mentioned, other than the two reasons that I have mentioned earlier, now let's estimate the time required to do the breakfast. Breakfast can be made quickly. A simple preparation of breakfast does not require you to spend a lot of your precious time. You can get yourself ready with the healthy whole cereal grain topped up with some fresh fruits like this. Breakfast. This is a very nutritious breakfast. For those who prefer breakfast smoothie, this is the examples of breakfast smoothie. You can get yourself ready to blend some of the fruits together with teaspoons of brains and milk. There are 1,440 minutes each day. You should spend at least 50 minutes out of them to make your breakfast, as breakfast can be made quickly, and you will be feeling a lot more healthier. After all the benefits I have shared with you, the benefits of breakfast I have shared with you, are you still thinking of skipping your breakfast? I hope all of you will start taking your breakfast today. Remember, breakfast can make students, that is all of you, to perform better in schools. Second, breakfast can help in losing weight. Third, breakfast can be made quickly. Today, a well-scientific research has confirmed many of leading causes of death and chronic diseases are preventable. We have been talking about the lifestyle factor that can improve your health. Adding breakfast into your eating habit is the major step to improve your lifestyle. Well, why bother with food? Food is fuel. Many studies have emphasized the importance of breakfast. If you want to make the most of your day, fuel your body right early with the breakfast. Thank you.